Hello, welcome to Drawing with Steam with Miss Carter. How are you doing? Today we're going to draw some bugs. So for bugs, we can draw insects, including beetles and butterflies, or we can draw arachnids, which are spiders with 8 legs, or any kind of silly creature we can think of that flies around or crawls around and bothers us. It's a bug. Draw a light till you know it's right. That's it. Draw a light till you know it's right. And if you think you messed up, you didn't. Just color over it and make something you like. Okay, we're gonna start with a spider because I love drawing a spider web. So for a spider web, I like to do an asterisk. So that's like drawing a giant plus and then a giant X. Then you kind of draw curved lines in between and go around, growing and growing. So you can imagine the spider spinning its web. I'm gonna start right here, little curve, 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 curve. And then for this one, instead of connecting it, I'm gonna go up a little bit and then go around again. Curve, 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 and keep going out and out. You don't have to keep your crayon or pencil or pen down. You can pick it up between each one if that helps you. You can do rainbow, rainbow. And then on the top ones away from you, you can think of it like a giant U. And you keep growing it out until you're happy with it. And there are certain parts where my line didn't meet up exactly, so if I want to fix that, that's when I would draw it dark. I would just make my line thicker right there, and you can't even tell I didn't connect it the first try. If you wanted to get really fancy for a spider web, you could draw on a black piece of paper with a white crayon. And it would look like the silk a spider has. All right, so for the spider, let's do an oval body. That kind of looks like a circle. Then a head. So I'm going to just do a U shape, a curved line. Then spiders have 8 legs, so imagine it crawling. You know when they come down from the web, they have their little legs going down. 1, 2. And then they need 6 more, so 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 legs all together. And you can put whatever design you want on the spider's back. If you want to make it a black widow, you can do an hourglass shape. I'm just going to put some stripes on mine. And then real spiders don't have eyes like a cartoon, but I'm going to put some cartoony eyes. 2 dark circles with 2 clear circles. And then connect it to the web. There's bug number 1. I can go back and make my lines darker and add some color. Okay. For bug number 2, I think we can do a grasshopper. So for the grasshopper, I'm going to get green. They like to blend in with the grass. I'll do a body like this, a short side, a long side. On the top, I'm going to go a little bit longer. I'm going to go the same amount and then extend it some more. I'm going to connect with the diagonal line. Then I'm going to do the head right here, and it's going to be a leaf shape. So for a leaf shape, we do kind of an upside down rainbow or a U curve line, and then a rainbow. See how it kind of looks like a leaf? And then I'm going to add another 2 lines down here, kind of 2 sides of a triangle. So it makes it look like the wing is sticking out of the grasshopper. Where it connects right here, I'm going to draw a diagonal line up. And then we need 6 legs. So we're going to do 2 little ones in the front. That one's behind. This one's in the front. We have these 2 right here. There's one in the back, one in the front. So the other one, you would just see this part of it. I know it looks kind of weird, but imagine it's behind the body. And then of course you need that big grass hopping leg. And you can see the other one behind there. Okay. Then let's put some stripes back here. Let's add some antenna. A little smile because we're making a cartoony grasshopper. A big oval. And then think, where do you want your grasshopper looking? Is it looking over at the spider saying, you're not going to catch me? There we go. And then we can color it in. And remember, any mistakes you made or any parts you don't like, you're just going to color right on top of them. You can do some blending. You can use different values. Press harder, press lighter to make it look how you are happy with it. Ooh, that looks like a nice strong jumping leg. Ooh, I made that line a little thicker than I wanted. But I'm just gonna pretend like I did it on purpose. Woohoo! So I'll go back and make all my lines on the outside a little thicker. One of my top tricks for messing up a thicker line. All right. For another bug, we can draw a beetle. So for a beetle, you'll see the head part and you'll see the abdomen and the thorax, kind of on some of them. Let me pick a beetle color. Beetles can be all sorts of colors. I'll make a blue one. Okay, so for this beetle, I'm going to do an oval, a curved line rainbow for the head, 6 legs. So I'm going to do 2 going up like it's crawling and 4 going back like it's pushing. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I do the first part of the leg, and then these ones are going to go up, and these ones are going to go down. So up, up, down, 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 down. And then I can add details like antenna. I'm going to make these furry antenna. Little eyes, beep, beep. And then this beetle can have wings, so I'm going to put the capital letter T on its back, so it looks like it has wings. And if I want to make it look like a beetle that's really holding on, I can put a little V at the end of the legs and an upside down V on these bottom ones to make it look like it's really crawling along. But instead of ovals, you can make a beetle out of maybe a diamond. I can make 2 short sides, 2 longer sides, put the T on the back, and then I could do the head in a similar way. Kind of made it look like it's looking that way. With a different kind of antenna, similar legs but shorter. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah. Do we need one more beetle? I can draw a beetle that you know, the ladybug. So for the ladybug, I'll draw it with a half an oval, the rainbow head, a line down the back for wings, the 6 legs, 2 going up, 4 going back, long antenna, some eyes, and some spots. And of course you can make those spots black. I think that's what I'll do. I'll color this red and go back and make my dots black. Oop, there's my timer telling me we're taking too long. It's me taking too long. Oop, oop. Let's see if I can get those eyes in there. Oh yeah. All right, I hope you enjoyed this version of Drawing with Steam with Miss Carter. Make some of your own creative bugs, add a background. This grasshopper would, of course, love to be living in some grass. This spider might like to, ooh, green doesn't go right there. This spider might like to be in a giant tree with some roots. Maybe another spider might like to hang down from a branch. Maybe these beetles are living underground. Maybe they're crawling on a leaf. Remember, always sign your work. And have a great day. Goodbye. Meet, dee, dee, dee.